70% of us aren't happy about the noise at our workplace. It takes an average of 25 minutes for a worker to return to its original task after being interrupted. And it takes another 8 minutes to reach the same level of concentration. So, ensuring acoustic comfort isn't just about making people feel good. It also boils down to actual performance. The less we feel disturbed, the more productive and efficient and creative we become. Plainly put, it makes us better. We need to let a little nature in. We need to learn from nature and the way our hearing has evolved throughout hundreds of thousands of years. We need to reduce cognitive stress and improve focus, memory, and decision-making. We just need to make a sound effect on people.